Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate performance tracking with Trello, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account or creating a new account if you don't have one. Create a new board dedicated to performance tracking. Name your board something relevant, like performance tracking automation. Add lists to your board that represent different stages of your performance metrics, such as goals, in progress, and completed. Now, set up cards under each list to represent specific metrics you want to track. For instance, create a card for monthly sales under the goals list. Next, click on the card to open it and add a detailed description of what you want to track. Include any specific data points or benchmarks that are relevant to the metric. Once your cards are set up, it's time to integrate automation. Go to the board menu and select Automation. From there, choose Butler to access your automation options. Create a new command to automate updates on your metrics. For example, set a trigger that moves a card from in progress to completed when a due date is reached. You can also create commands that automatically add checklists to cards on a specific day of the month. These checklists can detail the performance metrics you want to assess for that time period. Next, consider adding integrations with tools you already use. Navigate to the Power UPS menu and enable the integrations you need, like Google Sheets or Slack. For Google Sheets, set it up to feed data into your Trello cards automatically. This way, you can keep your performance metrics up to date without manual entry. Continuously review and adjust your automation commands for effectiveness. Make sure that the system remains aligned with your evolving performance goals. Encourage your team members to utilize the Trello board for tracking their own performance metrics. This fosters a culture of accountability and transparency in your organization. To analyze your performance over time, regularly examine the completed list. This will offer insights into trends and areas of improvement for future tracking. Finally, remember to celebrate milestones achieved as your team hits performance goals. This will help maintain motivation and engagement with ongoing tracking efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.